Mind renewal. Yeah, I'm in a car. Life has responsibilities, but the work must continue. Let's talk about the problem of being a smart child. When I was growing up, I was defined as a smart kid, meaning after the year has ended, I would scoop up mathematics awards, I would scoop up life literacy awards, I would scoop up life sciences awards, I would scoop up a lot of awards for being an overachiever at the particular grade that I would be in, as opposed to when I finished school. Then I went to university. Then came the problem, because I was not accustomed to studying. I was not accustomed to putting in the work in order to receive the excellency. I was naturally gifted when I was in school. And therefore, when I went to university, that became a big problem, because my mental capacity to excel without putting in the work had run out. And I was an adult who could not put in the work in order to get the results. This resulted in a big problem, that I could not finish the first qualification that I studied for in university. And I had to relearn how to put in the work. I had to learn from scratch how to put in the work, the type of learning that people went and did by the age of 15, 16. By grade 10, people had to learn how to study, how to prepare for exams and all that. And I was not accustomed to that lifestyle, and I struggled. But thank God, my mind was renewed, and now I can put in the work in order to receive the results. Mind renewal.